Hi, gorgeous. How are you doing? So we're here with Jim Sanchowitz.
Starkovich.
Jim Starkovich and Katie Kiss off of TubeBuddy, the best tool hands down for creators. If you're doing YouTube, you need to check out TubeBuddy. If you're familiar with TubeBuddy, you normally see Andrew Khan doing this stuff because he's their face. But Jim, they've made a deal to record a few videos each, and look how excited Jim is. And this is their first video. This is Jim's, like, kind of your first?
This is my first video, yeah.
How cool
I'm a developer. They keep me locked in the closet, you know, so this is my coming out on video.
And the thing is, I mean, I do an engineer, I do developing, and I know it's kind of hard to get in front of the camera.
It is.
And we've got Katie Kiss as well. It's like a double whammy of win.
Right. It's exciting.
Okay, so TubeBuddy, you've been doing it for a while. It's awesome.
Thank you.
Why did you start TubeBuddy? Was it just because you saw a gap in the market, or was it a passionate thing?
We originally started with some other tools in the YouTube space, and we were just kind of experimenting with different types of software, and we couldn't quite find like that perfect tool, that perfect niche. And we've always been really into automation, saving people time. We spend so much time on the computer. We hate having to spend more time than necessary because we want to spend time with family and get outside, do things with friends. And so with TubeBuddy, we first started with just like, okay, well, what can we automate? And it was some of the YouTube annotations back when they did annotations and cards. And that's kind of where we really got started. And then a lot of the younger creators who didn't need the automation as much because they were just starting out, they were focused on growth. So then we're like, okay, well, we're working some stuff to help people grow, and that's where we got into the tag tools and whatnot. So we were in the space, and it just kind of seemed like a good opportunity and a hole in the market, and we saw where we could kind of really help people like live better lives and grow their channels, and I don't know. I certainly find that some of the stuff that you have to do when you're creating content is a chore. It's time consuming. Well, this one for Katie. What do you say? What's your favorite part of TubeBuddy? What makes you get up in the morning?
Gosh, there's so much.
Besides working with us.
Besides our wonderful team, I think the relationships that we get to build with creators, most specifically, like the conversations we get to have and knowing that we're helping them live their lives and make their lives easier is great. We're here for the creators. We're not here for YouTube. We're not here for anybody else. We're here to make creators easier, and that's just so great and rewarding.
I mean, going to community again. If you haven't seen what these guys do, Steph with nicknaming Brian G. Johnson, who are both going to be. Brian can't make it. Brian's sick. But the community that does get built up around TubeBuddy and the live streams is phenomenal.
Yeah.
So I mean, I know you've got Andrew as your spokesman, Andrew Khan, who's also going to be around a little bit later. Why do you find community so important for what you do?
Connecting creators with each other is also such a rewarding piece for us, is that we can only do so much. He's a developer, there's 7 of us on our team. We've got developers, I'm a marketing background, we've got some customer service, but getting creators connected with each other that really live it and breathe it every day is what is really the most important, because you can learn the most from each other. There's only so much we can do to help you guys. You teach us more than anything, and so for the creators to get connected and we build this big TubeBuddy family, it's the best.
That's awesome. So one more thing for Jim.
Okay.
Would you rather have a fight or wrestle, it's entirely up to you, with a pony the size of a duck or 100 ducks the size of a pony?
I'd say 100 ducks. Well, no.
No, sorry. 100 ponies the size of a duck. I got that wrong.
Okay, I'm like.
So it's
a trick question.
lots of quite small ducks. Lots of quite small ponies coming at you.
Little ponies or a big duck?
Yeah.
I go little ponies. A big duck would scare me too much. I don't know. Could you imagine a duck that size like nipping at you?
But I mean, make a good video.
Yeah.
Good content.
All right, next year.
Yeah.
Marketing, figure that out.
I'll find a way.
Awesome. Well, guys, thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is Jim and Katie off of TubeBuddy. They smash it.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Thank you.